it's Amanda, your boob whisperer. If you haven't heard of Ruby Ribbon, I'm about to blow your mind. Your hostess thought you'd be pretty interested in better breast health. And maybe cutting your current bra into little teeny tiny little pieces. Hi, I'm your underwire. I'm here to make your life miserable all day long. Who even invented underwires? A man? Was it a man? Ruby Ribbon has a patented fabric and these shaping camis that make it possible for you to go wire-free and bra-free every day. But girls, these camis give you lift and shape and support that is actually comfortable. Whatever. I know. When I first heard of Ruby Ribbon, I thought the exact same thing. And guess what? We fit big girls and little girls, 32 to 50L and extra small to 3XL. Did I mention no more back fat and no more belly bulge? Hashtag muffin top. We also have nursing camis and a whole fashion line of clothing that is so high quality and well made. Our shaping camis cover everything our womanly bodies need. Epic support for your bust line, awesome slimming for around your waist, comfortable straps that actually stay put, and no smashing or cutting into your ribcage all day long. Yeah, our camis hug you. They don't spanx you. I can't breathe. And for those of you who get lame boob rash, our moisture wicking fabric totally resolves that. Yep, keeps you cool and dry in the summer and warm in the winter. And they don't roll, because shapewear that rolls needs to be burned. And now, let us talk about breast health. Did you know that you have a very active lymphatic drainage system right around your breast? Yep, you have lymph nodes right here and right here. And if they're blocked, that's not good. Where does the underwire hit again? Girls, even if it's not underwire, it's still putting pressure where it shouldn't. And I'm not even gonna go into how the wire can act like an antenna and attract electromagnetic fields. While science hasn't directly proven that bras can cause breast cancer, restriction in that area is very unhealthy. Now let's talk price point. Nope, these aren't your Walmart bras. If you were to buy a high-performing bra, shapewear, and camisole, it would run you between $120 to $150. Ruby Ribbon put them all together, and they start at $69. Oh no, don't talk to me about these being expensive. You wouldn't be here if you loved your bra. And if your boobs aren't down to your belly button and these babies are comfortable, they're worth every penny. And now I'd like to tell you about our amazing return and exchange policy. Let's just say, gasp, that you have to return one? You have 30 days to return it and 60 days to exchange it. I like to get really close to people when I'm excited. So there you go. Now you know everything you need to know to buy 5. Actually, there's a lot more information on this group page about the different styles of camis that we have, but also about breast health. So take some time this week to peruse through everything and check it out. Just one more thing about sizing. I don't even have to step one baby toe into your same space to find the right size and style for you. Yeah, I'm pretty much a rock star at sizing people. So fill out the form and send me your picture, and in most cases, I can get camis to your doorstep in 3 to 4 days.